Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Women Fashion. How are you friends? I hope all of you happy and fine. May God fulfill your life with happiness. And dear friends, today my video topic is about more glorious and good looking sandal ideas. In my video you look kind of sandals, flat sandals, chunky sandals, gladiator sandals, ankle strap, toe loop, platform stylo sandal, fish mouth sandal that make you look awesome. I suggest to watch this video till the end. You will find all kind of sandals ideas in our video. I hope you will enjoy these sandals designs, so please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Women Fashion. Friends, if you want to get more ideas about women's sandals and shoes, then watch my other videos to get all kind of sandals. I will try my best to show you all the latest designs of sandals and heels. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and like my video. Please let us know what you would like to see in next in the comment below. The ultimate destination of sandals inspiration improving women at a time of our channel. If you looking latest sandal trends, then this is the place. Then everything between we have called the covers, so sit back, relax, and let us help you find the perfect do you next big in our video.